Mojito is a very well known Cuban drink which is drunk all over the world, and today I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to make it. So let's just get started. I, however, don't use Sprite here as most people do. I just use normal soda, which I think most people should be doing because of lemons inside the Sprite. Kind of tastes weird and does not give you the fresh kind of feeling which normal lemons do. So instead, I'll be using fresh lemons. Along with that, I'll be using 2 cans of soda because I'm making 2 glasses right now. These can be found in literally every department store anywhere. So just make sure to look for them. And then one of the last things is mint, fresh mint. Make sure it's washed and everything. And also sugar syrup. I'll not be using normal sugar here because it won't dissolve very quickly, so sugar syrup will do the work just fine. So we'll start off with cutting 2 lemons. This is for the purpose of squeezing them and putting them into the container. So I'm going to use 1 whole lemon for 1 glass. This is because I like a lot of lemon in my drinks. You can even make it less or even more depending on your preference. However, I think more than 1 lemon for a glass is just too much, and even 1 whole lemon for a glass is too much. But it's me who I like it, so it's my preference. You can do whatever you want with it. So here is what my glass looks like after squeezing a whole lemon inside. And after this, I'm going to add the sugar syrup. I usually add about 2 to 3 teaspoons. You can add more if you want. I like my drink to be a little less sweet, so I'm going to add less. This can change from people to people. You don't exactly have to put 2 teaspoons inside. It's not necessary to stir them at this stage because you can do that up later as well. And after this, I'm going to take the lemons I have kept aside and chop them up. Okay, the way I'm chopping is weird. This is because I have little to no experience in chopping stuff. I just want a good drink. And I asked my mom to do this and she was like, no, you gotta do it yourself. You're the man now. I'm like, Mom, please. She's like, no. And I had to do this all myself. I'm pretty sure everyone over here is better than me and they can do this themselves. Okay, so after you chop these lemons into beautiful looking shapes, I just chop them into 4 parts. I'm going to put them inside the glass. Just make sure nothing splashes out. Oops, I might splash something up, but forget about it. Okay, and after putting the lemons inside, I'm going to take the mint I had, the fresh mint, and put it inside the glass. Now, after putting the mint inside the glass, I have to crush it to really bring out the flavor of the mint and the lemon as well. And I do that off camera. I don't know why, it's kind of weird to do it on camera. Anyways, after you're done with that, I'm going to take the ice I have and put it inside the glass. Mint's in. Now I'm going to take a lot of ice and put it inside. Actually, a few ice cubes to put it inside because my glass is not that wide, so this limited the amount of ice I could put in. Usually I would have liked a lot of ice, but then I did not take care of this while making the mojito. So make sure you get a wide glass. And for the final part, just take a lot of soda and put it inside, fill it to the brim. Then there we go. Soda is done, and I'm going to give it a little stir right at the end. And just put a straw in and take a good sip. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching the video. And make sure to subscribe if you want to. Thank you guys. Bye bye. And you could even color it if you liked.